Welcome to another ShotrOK training video. My name is Mark Taylor. I'm the lead engineer for ShotrOK and installer. We're continuing our series on the Toshiba phone system. We're going to cover the voicemail transfer key, the call record key, and the pause resume button. And we'll also probably go over the message waiting light and some of the soft keys when you're picking up your voicemail. All right, let's get started. Once you've set your voicemail up, you're ready to go. This is the voicemail transfer key. It's usually at the top of the telephone right here. And this is used to send callers directly to someone's voicemail. So if I get a phone call in and I'm answering the call, let's say for Jason, and Jason is unavailable, I know he's left the office, or maybe he's on the telephone, I can simply say, hey, Jason's not available, would you like his voicemail? And when the caller says yes, I just simply hit the voicemail transfer key, dial his extension number followed by the pound sign, and the caller will go right into the voicemail of that person without ringing Jason's telephone. So this saves a caller 4 or 5 rings before they would normally go to his voicemail. And it also saves Jason, if he's in the office maybe working on a project, it saves his phone from actually ringing in his office. So let's set this up. A call comes in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually send it to my voicemail, not Jason's for right now. But it works the same way. I'm going to hit my voicemail transfer key, dial the extension number I want to send it to, followed by the pound sign. It's important to remember you have to hit the pound sign after you dial the person's extension number. So we're going to send it to voicemail transfer, puts the caller on hold immediately, to so I can hang up my telephone. I'm actually in the other person's voicemail. I'm going to leave a message. This is a test message, just leaving a test message. Test, 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 test. As soon as the call is hung up, we have a new message on the telephone, and the blinky light lets you know you have a message. So that's the first way. We did it manually. We hit the voicemail transfer key, we dialed the extension number, and we put a pound sign in afterwards. There's actually an easier way. If you happen to have those DSS keys we talked about in other videos, you can do one-touch calling. Well, this can also be used to do basically a two-touch transfer to someone's voicemail. Call comes in. You want Jason's voicemail? I hit the voicemail transfer key, push Jason's button, and hang up, and that caller is gone right to Jason's voicemail. Again, it's really easy. All I had to do was hit voicemail transfer, press Jason's button, and hang up the telephone. And we're done. The caller goes directly to his voicemail, doesn't ring his telephone. So those are the 2 different ways. Remember that and review that on your cheat sheet. The other feature is the call record key. It might be called the voicemail record key as well. Either way, it's the same thing. The call record key is used to actually call or record conversations on the telephone. So if you're maybe received an important phone call and you want to get a record of it, you can use the call record button. Now I use it for notes, such as when I call tech support or maybe I'm talking to a customer and they're giving me information. I want to make sure I get that information. So instead of trying to write it down and not be able to read my writing later on, I actually just record the conversation. So we're going to demo that real quick. Call comes in. Well, I've got my call here. I'm talking to extension 200. I can press my call record key. My recording starts. And we're just recording the conversation here. Now, if I wanted to, I have a pause resume key. I can pause the recording where I'm not recording the conversation right now. And then, when I want to start it up again, just press the button. I'm back to recording. When I hang up my phone call, you'll see now I have 2 new messages on my voicemail. So that was the call record key and the pause resume button. Now my message waiting light has come on with my tells me up here, and I'm going to go in and listen to that. Before I get in there, since I don't have any outside lines on my demonstration machine, what you'll see is you'll see the actual phone number of the person who called you, their caller ID on the screen. So when you get into your voicemail on your desk, and you get into your password. It's going to play the message. Also, up here will be the caller ID of the person's number who called you. In my case, we're not going to see that on a demo kit. Push the button.
Mark Taylor. Please enter your password.
Put in my password I did earlier.
You have 2 new messages. First new message from mailbox number 200.
Mailbox, time and date. I can save the message, go to the next one, or delete. I'm going to go ahead and delete it.
Message erased. Next message. Recording start. And we're just recording the conversation here. Now if I wanted to,
There's my save button. Next, delete, and more. I'm going to go ahead and delete it.
Message erased. End of messages. To record and send a message.
And I'm going to hang up. So now my message waiting line is off. So I hope that helps you on your voicemail transfer and call record needs. Again, catch us on other videos. Thank you so much.